Welcome to our channel. Join us for fun quizzes and trivia that will challenge your mind. Let's dive into fascinating questions. Which ocean has the highest average salinity rate? Let's think about where salt might build up the most. Atlantic Ocean. Where is day and night equal on Earth? Imagine a place where the sun's schedule barely changes. Equator. Where is iron mined the most? Australia and Brazil. What is the temperature at which condensation forms called? Dew point. What unit of distance is used in navigation? Nautical mile. Which planet was named after the Roman god Zeus? Think of a massive planet. Jupiter. Which volcano exploded in 1883 with a force of 200 megatons of TNT? Krakatoa. Which canal connects the Red and Mediterranean Seas? One of the most important canals for global trade.
Suez Canal.
Which layer of the Earth's atmosphere provides ideal flying conditions for jet aircraft? Stratosphere. The actual amount of moisture contained in the air is known as absolute humidity. The winter snow house of the Eskimo is known as a warm shelter created in one of the coldest environments. Igloo. Which country calls itself Nippon? Think of a country that's known as the land of the rising sun.
Japan.
Which city was once called New Amsterdam? Once a Dutch settlement, now one of the busiest cities. New York City. On which island is the Statue of Liberty located? An iconic symbol of freedom. Liberty Island. Which strait divides Morocco and Spain? A narrow passage that links the Atlantic with the Mediterranean. Strait of Gibraltar. Which country passes through both the equator and Tropic of Capricorn? A vast country in South America that spans two major lines.
Brazil.
What percentage of Earth's water is found in the oceans? Most of our planet's water is right here. 96.5%. Which country is often described as being shaped like a boot? Picture a country's outline kicking into the sea. Italy. Which is mainly responsible for causing discomfort to mountaineers? Lack of oxygen. India is part of which continent? Think of a continent known for its diversity and history.
Asia.
What is the continuous circulation of water on Earth called? A vital process that keeps our ecosystems hydrated. Hydrologic cycle. In which continent is the Dead Sea located? Known for its high salt levels. Asia. What are the two landlocked countries of the South American continent? Picture two countries surrounded by land in South America. Bolivia and Paraguay. Which calendar is universally accepted? A calendar most of us follow daily. Gregorian. Which country is the leading egg producer in the world? A country with a large agricultural industry. China. Which place has the record of the lowest temperature? Imagine a place colder than you could ever imagine. Vostok Station, Antarctica. The gap between birth rate and death rate per 1,000 mid-year population of a given region is known as natural growth rate of population. Which two countries are joined by the Bridge of No Return? North Korea and South Korea. Which is the highest mountain in Russia? Think of a towering peak covered in snow. Mount Elbrus. Humidity in the air is measured by a device used to measure moisture in the atmosphere. Hygrometer. Which is the driest inhabited place on Earth, known for its extreme dryness despite human presence? Atacama Desert. Which rays are absorbed by ozone in the atmosphere, a critical layer that protects us from harmful rays? Ultraviolet rays. Which is the largest reservoir of freshwater? Glaciers. What is the second deepest depth in the world? A deep trench beneath the Pacific. Tonga Trench. What is the oldest country in the world? One of the earliest civilizations in recorded history. Egypt. What is the total surface area of the Earth? A vast area covered by land and water. 510 million square kilometers. A country lying within the Arctic Circle with geysers is Iceland. In which direction does the Earth spin on its axis? Think of the direction in which the sun appears to rise. West to east. How many major tectonic plates are on the Earth? These massive plates are responsible for shifting continents. 7. How long does it take the Earth to complete one rotation? A day, nearly, but not quite. 23 hours, 56 minutes. What alloy is created when tin is mixed with copper? A strong alloy used since ancient times. Bronze. Which is known as the Pearl Island, an island famous for its pearl industry. Bahrain. When was the Suez Canal construction completed? A monumental engineering feat of the 19th century. 1869.